My name is Senior Master Sergeant Brecken. I am the C-130 Superintendent of Maintenance here at Kabul. Yes, the two aircraft we have here are C-130H1 models. They are from Little Rock Air Force Base, and they were procured through ASIF funds for Afghanistan to provide a medium airlift capability for this country to be able to haul their personnel and equipment around and increase the ability of their Air Force to meet their country's needs. At this point, our plans to bring 4 C-130s total for the Afghan Air Force. The additional 2 C-130s would are planned to come from Little Rock Air Force Base. What we expect in this first year, my team will be maintaining the airplanes so that they can fly, mainly to support initially Afghan pilots getting trained to become aircraft commanders. The squadron that we're in here also has air advisors that will be working with Afghan maintainers to teach them how to maintain the C-130. The reason these airplanes were chosen, these C-130H airplanes were chosen, was because of their what we call wing life. They've had a center wing box replacement, and that center wing box replacement allows them to have more flying hours left. These airplanes are 1974 models, but with the repairs that have been done on these airplanes, they have much more life for the use for the Afghan Air Force. Just that our team is selectively put together from Little Rock Air Force Base, and is glad to be here to have a chance to do this or bring these C-130s to the Afghan people.
This is Colonel Pacha. My full name is Emal Pacha Saidi. IMALPACHA. Yeah, that's my pleasure to fly in a C-130, which is under the Afghanistan flag, and that's a very great aircraft. Today was our first mission on that one in Afghanistan. That's very good sign of and a step toward the Afghanistan Air Force, especially for building the Afghanistan Air Force. We will do regularly here some logistic support for our troops and personal packs for the Afghan national forces from Kabul to different provinces, and from over there to here. That will be our main goal, to support our armed forces in Afghanistan. Yeah, today was the first mission from Kabul to Kandahar. We carried about 12,000 LEPs cargo, which support our air wing in Kandahar, some parts for helicopters, and that was very good, and we did it successfully, and we will have more missions in the next weeks that will be good, and that's good signs for our Air Force. And when I talk in Kandahar with the people, they were very happy. Especially they have a lot of problem with the transportation from Kabul to Kandahar, and that will be good. Yeah.
Well, as long long as we were able to get up to 10,000 feet. Once we got above the climb gradient, I think we were on vectors.
Yeah.
Pretty much to start off with. So.
Okay. I mean, I felt comfortable as soon as we talked to departure, and they had us on vectors, but they never really said, okay, you're IFR.
Yeah, we're climbing up to a. Pretty much once we go on vectors, it's kind of yeah. So here I'll show you. See how we're about 100 feet high here?
But mine is good.
Yeah, but this is the one that reports to ATC. So
Okay.
when they look at it, they'll see that. So what you can do is you'll hit this autopilot button here, and then I'll push this wheel just slightly forward, and you'll watch this will come down just a little bit.
But they come in. We will press that again.
Yeah, then we'll press that again. So go ahead and press it right now. There you go. And that's how you fix minor deviations just with this little wheel here.
Yeah.
She's doing 1-2 right, continue roll up and right, go off and reach that AFG130 inside of 3 mile pond, no delay off the runway, contact headland, please.
Good, Charlie 1 radio.
So correction, she's 1-2 left turn, please. Charlie 1, contact headland. Boston 01, number 1, runway 2312 105, circles on for ramp.
Do we have the HF frequency, which is contacted with the officer?
Yeah, we can, right here. We have 2 of them.
No, the frequency for the HF, which is contact with the HFLC.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I couldn't find here.
Yeah.
That's like 6478.
It's a common operation. It's in
Maybe they changed that one.
Okay, yeah, we haven't found anything like that, so maybe
Yeah,
there is.
That's very useful, and sometimes we are flying and we contact with the HFLC in the air or the ground.
Slowly, middle left rudder. Pull it all the way back. Okay, open over the gate, pause.
Okay, can you help me out?
Roll out, stable, first left.
That will be
7. 8. Keep it coming. 9. Keep it moving. 10. A little more, a little more. A little more on 4. And power's good. Power's set, torque's good.
Okay, co-pilot controls.
I have a control.
And go.
Okay, positive rate.
She
Okay.
climbs gear up.